Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will do a quick revision of the subject Cost Control Management Accounting, that is CCMA. Those who have completed your preparation, this video will be helpful to do a quick revise of your subject. If you have not done your preparation, this video, whatever I am saying, it will be not understandable to you all. Okay, when you have completely finished your syllabus, when you completely revised your syllabus, then afterwards watch this video, then it will be useful for you to get a quick glimpse of your subject. Okay, so Ccma, in CCMA, I have said my students, the students who have followed my videos, I have said that prepare chapter 1. In chapter 1 you can score at least 16 marks weightage. How come it will be 16? Means 12 marks long, 4 marks short, 16 marks weightage, theory plus problematic. Theory plus problematic. Then what is theory? What we need to learn theory means what is management accounting or what is managerial accounting, what are its nature, scope, importance, objects, whatever it might be. The same points it will be useful for anything. Either it may be ask scope, same points, nature, same points, objective, same points, right? You need to prepare like that. In our channel I have explained the theory explanation of also of chapter 1. After that, what you have learned about the problematic, you have learned about the PV ratio, you have learned about the BEP in units and sales, yes, MOS in units and sales, okay, finding of profit, finding of fixed cost, finding of sales, finding of contribution. Same formula based thing you have find it, no? They will give the data. So in the question they will only give the data. Simply you need to write the formulas. Which formula is suitable, you need to understand it, and you need to draw the you need to do the solution. Okay, so chapter 1 problematic is easy compared to the chapter 2. Chapter 2 we are not learning. In unit number 1 you are having two options, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 2 we are keeping it for choice. So in chapter 1 you are preparing problematic and you are preparing theory also. Theory only one question mark. What is that question? What is managerial accounting or management accounting? What are its scope, nature, objective, whatever it might be, you need to write the same answers. So for theory, how many sides you will write? 3 sides for 12 marks answer, 1.5 side for 4 marks answer. Compulsory rayali. Compulsory, you need to write it. That's it. Yes. So what about the PV ratio formula? PV ratio, fixed cost plus profit by sales into 100. You can use this formula also. What is BEP formula? Fixed cost by PV ratio. To find out PV ratio, first we need to write the formula. See, simple steps. In our channel explanation videos is available. Yes, from unit number 1, if you prepare these two topics, that is theory cum problematic, means definitely you can score 16 marks. What is the passing marks? 32 only. In that half of the marks you are getting here only, no? Yes, more than half marks you are getting here only. Yes. So this is about the chapter 1. So chapter 1 problematic cum theory, compulsory you need to prepare it. 16 marks weightage, no ma. So that's the thing. I am giving it a quick revise about this chapter. Okay. Now coming back to the second unit. In unit number 2, how many chapters we are having? 2 chapters you are having. Chapter 3, chapter 4. Chapter 4 we are keeping it for choice. We are not learning this chapter. In chapter 3 what we are learning? We are learning budget and budgetary control. BBC. Budget and budgetary control. In this budget and budgetary control you are preparing theory plus problematic. In problematic two methods is there. One is units, second one is capacity. Okay, if in the question, if they are giving the data of the following company in units, means you need to do it in the units pro forma of budget and budgetary control. Okay, and if they are giving the question in the capacity, means you need to do the question in the capacity format. So variable cost, fixed cost, yes, and for fixed cost amount will be same, for variable cost per unit will be same. This all stuff we already learned in the explanation video. Yes or no? Just prepare that. It will be more than enough 16 marks. That is 12 marks long, 4 marks short. Okay, 4 marks you can exit. You can leave it also. But what about the theory question? What they will ask theory question from chapter 3? What are the contents of budget and budgetary control? Or else whatever the theory question they may ask from the budget and budgetary control, you need to do the pro forma of units. You need to draw the pro forma of capacity. How we have calculated that, the same stuff you need to convert it into the theoretical answer. That's it. Okay, for fixed cost amount is same, for variable cost per unit will be same. Like this we will calculate. This is the pro forma of capacity, this is the pro forma of per unit. Yes, the same stuff you need to write it in your theoretical answer. Okay, so that's it. No need to prepare any other questions for the theory ma. Again I am saying, so some students were saying that theory I need to learn, or problematic also I need to learn, or this much I need to learn. You need to learn because you are a degree student, no? So at least you need to prepare one chapter, no ma. One chapter you are learning. In that, if you need to perfect it, in that also if you are not perfect, means God only will save you. In unit number 3, you are having again 2 chapters, chapter 5, chapter 6. Chapter 6 we are keeping it for choice. Chapter 5 we are learning. In chapter 5 we are learning theory plus problematic. Theory nothing. Whatever the stuff we are doing in the problematic, the same thing you are converting into the theory. In this chapter 5, you are learning 3 topics as a problematic. One is trend analysis. Second one is comparative P&L account and balance sheet. Third one is common size statement. Comparative statement, common size statement. In comparative statement and common size statement, you are having 2 pro formas. One is income statement, that is P&L account pro forma. Second one is balance sheet pro forma. When you are perfect with P&L account and balance sheet pro forma, out of 12 marks, you can at least score 8 marks or 9 marks for the pro forma itself. That is revenue from operations, other incomes. Third one is total revenue, expenses, cost of materials, depreciation and amortization, employee. The same pro forma. Whatever the question it might be from comparative or common size, income statement pro forma is same. Balance sheet pro forma is also same. Yes, in comparative income statement and balance sheet, what you will learn? You will learn the calculation of absolute change and percentage change. Yes, are you understanding? Absolute change means nothing about new year minus old year. Percentage means absolute change divided by old year into 100. Yes, the same thing you need to learn it. Okay, so this is the thing about the third unit, 5th chapter. Okay, so I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So this is the 16 marks weight is definitely you will do it. In trend analysis, what you will do ma, whatever the base year they will give, the same base year it will be 100%. Okay, for example 2015 they have given as a base year, the percentage of 2015 will be 100 only. Same like common size balance sheet, how we will calculate, the same thing you will do it for the trend analysis also. Okay, and in unit 4 you are learning fund from operations, that is fund flow statement. In this statement 2 accounts we need to prepare it mainly. Whatever the type of problematic question it might be from the fund flow statement, 2 accounts. One is working capital statement, working capital pro forma. Second one is fund flow statement. Okay, this 2 pro formas is more than enough. In our channel I have already explained the fund from operations, fund flow statement, which carries definitely 16 marks, because both the questions come for 12 marks only, and definitely one shot it will be either for problematic or theory. Yes, when you are learning problematic, no need to convert the theory. Whatever the stuff you are doing in the problematic, the same thing you need to write it in the theory also, no? So this is about the unit number 4. Fund flow statement compulsory you need to write. And the last unit, cash flow statement. Cash flow statement, how many accounts we need to? Only the pro forma. If you understand the pro forma, definitely you can score 16 marks, that is 12 marks long, 4 marks short, definitely 110%. But when you understand the pro forma, when you concentrate on the pro forma, when you see the logical point in the pro forma, then only you will understand this cash flow, or else it will be difficult for the students to understand cash flow statement and fund flow statement. But when you are understanding means, it will be the easiest topic. Yes. So this is the things you are learning in your CCMA. If you are perfect with this cash flow statement, you will have operating activities, financing activities, investing activities. Then you will get net increase or net decrease. From that we need to add opening cash, and the last answer should get the closing cash. Yes. So this is the thing you are doing in your CCMA. I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the videos are available in our channel. So I will try to pin the links in the description box and the comment section box. Okay. So all the very best for examination preparation. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.